Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add employee in Gusto. So first head over to app.gusto.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on people. Then next is click on the add person button. So from here, of course, add in details about this new person or new employee that you're going to add, starting with the first name. And of course, their last name. Then next is their preferred first name. Next is choose worker type. Of course, we're going to pick employee. So next is scroll down, choose country where this employee lives. Then next is add in their personal email address. Then once done, head over and click on save and continue. Next, continue on building this employee's profile. Start by adding where will this employee work, if they're work from home or physical office, face to face. So add in the address of the office. Then next is their work state. So if they work from home, add in the address or location. And of course, add in their job title. And of course, their department and their manager, if they have one, and their first day of work at the company. And once done, head over and click on save and continue. So the third step in adding this employee is to add in their compensation details. So choose if this employee is covered or not for insurance, then add in risk class code. Then next is add in their employee type and amount of the compensation they could receive. Then lastly is review all the details are correct and accurate. Then once done, head over and click on save and continue to next task. So from here, you will be inviting this employee to join Gusto. So you can enter details for them, but you can also just invite them and fill it out themselves. So just click on the continue button of your choice. So from here, add in their email address where they can receive this invitation. And you also have an option to add in a welcome message for them. And here you can also see the documents that will be sent for this employee. And you can also assign policies to them beforehand. And once done, head over and click on save and continue. So the last step is to send the invitation to this employee. So from here, you can just click on I've added all current team members if this is the only employee that you will add. But you can also add another one by clicking on the add another team member button. And from here, all you have to do is wait until this employee receives the email on their email address and they accept your invitation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!